today we're going to make an undertow. I found out about the undertow only about a few days ago when Prometheus uploaded his last video. As far as I know, it originated from Starbucks. It's not really on the menu, it's more of a barista drink. All you need is chilled milk, a shot of espresso, and a sweetener. So let's go ahead and make one. So for my espresso, I'm using my all-time favorite, all faithful mocha pot. I'm using Indonesian single origin coffee provided by Raz Coffee Roasters. We'll take 60 to 70 ml of milk and pour in about 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. You can also put caramel syrup in it, whatever suits your fancy. Stir your milk properly. I'm using a milk frother to froth the milk ever so slightly and mix everything together. And on top goes our espresso. Use a large spoon. I'm using my special fancy spoon that I use for tasting. Pour your espresso on top of the drink. A double espresso will do, a single espresso will do. It's your choice at the end. Okay, so I made a mistake. I put ice into the milk so that it sort of, it sort of chills a bit more. But that ice decided to, sort of decided to rise into the espresso and sort of ruin everything. But let's taste it with cold espresso. I think I like it better with cold espresso. Now the idea of drinking this beverage is to drink it at a 45-degree angle so that you get some of the milk with the espresso, half and half. And you're supposed to mix them in your mouth, and that's a different experience. What did you think about this drink? Is it worth your time? Is it worth your effort? Is it any good? Have you tried it? Have you heard of it before? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any suggestions, if you have any comments, do let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.